I'm sorry. Yeah, someone was saying something. Sorry, can you please come again?
Hi sir. Sir, could you please help on to install SAP GUI? I am unable to install.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that. Actually, have you, anyone has done the installation part? Anyone has
No,
done?
no. Even I have tried, but I'm unable to do
Okay.
it.
How about Sarvani?
Yes, I did it.
Okay, fine. These 2 days I'm bit occupied with the classes and other demos. So is that fine? Tomorrow first hour, Monday first hour, can we do that?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, sir.
Yes, okay for me.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
And let me share the screen. Hi, Abhishek.
Yeah. Hello, Naveen.
Yeah, hi. Abhishek, the thing is actually, as I said, that it's this particular batch has started a little. We have done few classes. So what I'll do is just today, just try to understand the things, the concept. Tomorrow, can we join? Can you join with the same link at 2 o'clock so that I can take a refresher session, the complete?
Yeah, sure.
Hmm? Only just go through today the session, complete session, and tomorrow I'll give you the complete glimpse, whatever we have done and everything, so that you can online with these people on the same page, and tomorrow session onwards.
Okay,
Okay,
sure.
so here I'll just give a glance that how are in as a SAP consultant. So our main aim is to do these particular courses. We want to see ourselves as a consultant. So whatever the consultant activities we are going to do in real time, those activities we are going to cover, we are going to take all the scenarios, whatever challenges we are going to face in real time. So those things we are going to cover in this particular course. So what are the things in the sense, for example, we are going to cover ECC version. So the version which is older version. So, but still till 2028 and 30, still clients are using it. SAP AG has given a deadline. The people who are the companies which are using Fortune 500 companies or whatever, they're still using ECC version, which is older version. SAP came up with S4 HANA version. Clear? S4 HANA version. So SAP has given a deadline till 2028 or 30. These companies can use this ACC without any problem. But after 2030, definitely they need to migrate from ECC version to the latest version, S4 HANA version or HANA version. Clear? So that is the reason what we are doing in this particular course, in the sense we are covering both ECC in depth 100% and S4 HANA also complete in depth. We are covering both the modules. So that is the
Okay.
reason, that is the both the versions we are that is the reason my course will take a little lengthier than one compared to others. Okay, like it's around 9 months course, like, but FI part, SAP FI module we are going to cover within 5.5 months, 5 to 5.5 months, where as from February onwards, the SAP market is going to be open like anything. Okay, for freshers and as well as experienced people. So initially they are experienced, they need an experienced people or freshers only on FI part. They don't have any projects right now. Till August or September, new projects are not coming on CO module. We are getting projects only on FI module. So they are checking the expertise in FI module initially. So this particular FI module we are going to cover. Okay, 4.5 to 5 months, 4.5 to 5 months. And same time, not only ECC and S4 HANA, as I said earlier also, we are going to see like whatever consultant is failing in real time, right? When they approach client, so they are facing issues to understand the customer business processes because of manual accounting, lack of knowledge on manual financial accounting or cost accounting or a management accounting. So, right, departmental accounting, branch accounting, because of that lack of knowledge, the most of the consultant are not able to solve the issues of clients. Okay, so majority people will say that, okay, cracking interview is not a big deal, but in real time, face on the floor, doing configuration or whatever you call, so that would be a challenge. But for whom this would be a challenge, the people who doesn't have at least 15% of academic accounting financial accounting, whatever accounting I'm saying, management accounting, cost, those people will face a challenge. So to fill that bridge, to fill that gap, we are covering that in this particular course, we are covering financial management and cost accounting also. Clear? So tomorrow you
Yeah.
can join around at 2 o'clock session. I'll ping you again. So tomorrow, whatever sessions we have completed, I'll give you a glimpse. Fine?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you. So last session, I think we have covered up to define company code, if I'm not wrong. Correct?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. We have created a company codes. OX02. What is our company? Lahari, right? So we took a structure called
We did
Lahari
till
Cements.
define credit control area.
We have not created company codes. Yeah, we have not created. Okay. So just go ahead. Next one. Define company code. Same as it is, just write it down. Define company code. Within the bracket, write down creation of company code. What is the difference between company and company code? You know, right? All the books of accounts, okay, all the legal requirements will be maintained at company code level. It's a legal entity. It's a legal entity. Clear? Company code is a legal entity. Why we call it as a legal entity? Because all the business transactions, books are maintained at company code level. Right? So write down the path SPRO. Create company code, write down the path SPRO, SAP reference IMG, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, edit, copy, delete, check. Company code within the bracket, company code. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. And the transaction code is OX02. Transaction code OX02. OX02. So I'll go with SAP again. So here SPRO. Okay. SPRO. SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. Okay. Enterprise structure. Okay. Enterprise structure. Definition. So we are defined here. Definition is nothing but a creation. So here all the organization structure elements we are going to create under definition. So here definition. Okay. And these are the different modules. Financial accounting, FI module, controlling module, logistics module, SD module, material and management module, plant maintenance module, HRM module. So our module is financial accounting module as of now. So here financial accounting. So here already we have done this particular step. Define company, define credit control area. We have already done in last week's session. So edit, copy, delete, check company code. Okay, edit, copy, delete, check company code. So how to activate transaction codes? So here we will have a transaction code. This is called navigation, and we can activate transaction codes, additional information, display key, IMG activity. Okay, last 4 digits or 5 digits would be your transaction code. OX02, OX02, OX15, OX02.
So I have a question here. Like, don't we have any variant like where we can directly go? I mean, like directly see the transaction codes also
Sorry?
along with the description.
Sorry, I
Like,
didn't get it.
do we have any variant where we can see transaction codes along with the
No,
description?
you don't.
So every time we need to get into additional information, and from there we
Yeah,
need to bring
that's what,
transaction.
see, as I
Okay.
said that in this particular, this is consultant screen as I said. So whenever we are activating additional information, then it will activate. Once we log off, then again it will be, you can't see the transaction codes. Again, we need to activate the transaction codes. Clear?
Yes.
So one thing, again, I'm telling you how what is the procedure like. Again, I'm giving you a simple tip. Simple tip. See, remembering a transaction code, because as I said that there are, how many transaction codes are there in SAP? Total, I have given you when I was explaining. There are total more than 60,000 transaction codes are there in entire SAP module. And if you take financial accounting FI module, there are more than 1,800 transaction codes are there. Near about 2,000 transaction codes are there only in FI module. So we can't remember all the 1,800 transactions or 2,000 transactions. Correct. And we are not going to restrict ourselves only with FI module. We are going to do with the CO module. We are going to do in this course itself. We are going to do MM module, SD module, plant maintenance module, asset management module. Lot of different modules also we are going to see in this particular course, 15 to 20%. So it's not possible to remember all the transaction codes. But in interview, probably they might ask you. So how to remember the transaction code is first thing, practice. Second thing, whenever you are doing some particular step, think it why and what. Why we are doing, what for we are doing this. Okay, then if you do for 5 to 10 times, then what happens is we won't forget the navigation. Okay, and we won't forget the transaction codes. Majority, again, I'm not saying everything we won't forget. We won't forget majority navigation path and majority transaction code. We won't forget. At the time of practice itself, if you do analysis, clear, a normal transaction code or any other transaction codes, definitely 100%, whatever transactions code we are going to do, out of that 50 to 70%, we will remember all the transaction codes. Practice in the sense, don't take only the recording and your material. That is considered as a data entry. That is considered as a data entry. So every time, whenever you are doing why and what, keep this in mind and do it. Definitely at the time of 5th practice or 10th time practice, whatever we are doing, definitely we will remember everything. We will at least 70% we will remember. According to my previous experience and my previous batch experience, I'm saying this. Okay. So transaction code is OX02. So double click on edit, copy, delete, check company code, or click on IMG activity button. Okay, click on IMG activity button. Click on IMG activity button. So here, double click on edit company code data. So there are two options here. So this is not required for us. Edit company code data, double click on edit company code data. Edit company code data. Okay. So our company code already did we create it? Did we created our company code in the system? The organization structure is there?
In
No.
system, we haven't.
We haven't, right? So it is not there. So we need to create the structure in our company code. So I have created here. I have mentioned here. What is my company code here? Company codes. I have provided the structure. So I'm having 3 company codes. One is company code. One is nothing but LI01. Okay. Lahari Cement. Next one, LI02, Lahari Steels Private Limited, and LU01, Lahari Steels, US. 3 company codes, 2 company codes in Hyderabad and Mumbai, and 1 company code is in US. So here I'll give it as an press new entries. So which is not there in company, this in the system. So press new entries, press new entries. Okay. And company code could be your 4 characters. It could be alpha, it could be numeric, alphanumeric also. Okay, I'm taking no majorly, it will have a combination real time also. We will have 80% alphanumeric character. I'm taking it as an LI01. No result found because it's not there in the system. So LI01. Okay. So I'm giving the company name description as Lahari Cements Private Limited. So I'm doing a project on Lahari Cements Private Limited. Okay, and city Hyderabad. City Hyderabad. Okay, country India. Okay, currency INR and language English EN. And very important is currency. Put a star mark for this currency. Put a star mark for currency. Put star mark for this currency. Okay, why I'm asking you to make a star mark for this currency is this currency will be treated as a local currency. Okay, people may ask you, what is your local currency? Local currency, nothing but your company code currency. What do you mean by your company code currency? Company code currency is nothing but local currency. Okay, within the bracket draw, within the bracket above after currency write down, it is considered as local currency or company code currency. Local currency or company code currency. Okay. Why I'm asking is an interview point, they may ask you how many types of currencies system will accept. ECC system. ECC system will accept 3 types of currencies. I'll tell you that again, but just I'm giving a heads up. 3 types of currencies ECC version will accept. What are those currencies is nothing but local currency or company code currency. Next one, group currency. Next one, hard currency. ECC version. What are the currencies? It will accept. It will allow 3 currencies. Okay, one in ECC version. Again, I'm reiterating. In ECC version, it allows us 3 currencies. One is local currency. Next one, group currency. Next one, hard currency. I'll tell you what is the difference between hard currency and group currency. But when it comes to S4HANA, it allows us to have 10 different currencies. Apart from your local currency, apart from your group currency, apart from your hard currency, we can have additional 7 currencies in S4HANA. But that I'll explain. What are the different currencies? What is the useful in S4HANA? But in ECC version, we can have 3 currencies. So they may ask you, what do you mean by local currency? Local currency is nothing but your company code currency. What do you mean by company code currency? That is nothing but in trading, whatever currency we use, that currency we call it as a local currency for this company code. Okay, interview point, it's very important. Okay, just write it down. Okay, same time they may ask you, where we define a local currency. Where we define a local currency? At definition of company code. Okay. Fine. Any questions here till here?
No, sir.
Okay. Click on save button. Click on save button. Next year, company. Okay. So here I'll give Lahari Cement. So we need to give all the details here, address and all. Company code 1. Private Limited. Okay. So here short name LSPL I'll give, or company code LI01. Address, any address you can give. Okay. Any address we can give. Okay. Okay, next one, postal code. Okay. Hyderabad. Country IN and region. It's very important region because for GST purpose, this is going to be useful. So our Telangana region is state code is 36. State code is 36. Okay, and give PO box number. Just write it down, address. Okay, Lahari Cements Private Limited. Address I have given, any address you can give. And in real time, your client will provide or your project manager will provide all these naming conventions and all the details. Okay. Okay, click on OK button. Okay. Is it our folder only? Transport request?
Yes.
Yes. So it's a Lahari group company, right? We have created transport request. This is nothing but we are saving all our configurations and customization under this particular folder, nothing but transport request. So click on OK button. So next we need to create one more company code, right? We need to create one more company code LI02. LI02 steel plant, Mumbai. So here press next entry button, pressed next entry button. Here you will find next entry button. Okay. So here you give LI02.
So Naveen, if we don't press next entry button and if we
And
directly
you
give
can
a
go
like,
to back and you can press new entries.
okay.
Okay. If you are not pressing new entries, so for example, I'll close this. Okay. So I'm here. Already LI01 I have created. For example, if you check LI01, click on position button, you can see here. Okay. If you're not pressing next entry, then in this screen, you can mention new entries. Clear. This is next entry screen. And if you're not pressed next entry, then you can go back and press new entries. Clear? LI02. Next one, Lahari Steels Private Limited. Okay. It's a Mumbai company code. So here it's Mumbai. Mumbai. Country IN. Currency INR. So what is my local currency here? English. What is my local currency? INR. Okay. Next one. Click on save button. Click on save button. Okay. Again, we need to give all the details. Select company. Select a company. Select company and give your company name. Lahari Steels Private Limited. Private Limited. My company code LI02. LI02. Okay. And house number, anything. Sorry. LI02. Okay. I'll give any Mount Road. Mount Road, Andheri. Andheri. Postal code 4,25,000. City Mumbai. Country IN. And Maharashtra state code is 13 as per GST. Maharashtra state code is 13. So 13. Yeah. Just write down this. See, again, I am stating whatever real time I have experienced, those scenarios I am taking and complete end-to-end scenarios I am trying to take. Okay, just write it down. Once you're done, let me know.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. So click on OK button. Click on OK button. Click on OK button. Okay. So we have done with the second company code also. Next one, what is the other company code we have? What is the other company code we have?
US company.
LU01. LU01, correct?
So
US
Naveen, actually
company.
last time when we were creating a company code for LI01, I mean like which is for Hyderabad, after clicking on that OK button, there were a pop-up for the transport request.
But this is already we have saved the company code creation in the transport request, right? In the same so same thing. If we are the same company code only we are creating, right? In the same navigation path and same transport transaction code, we are saving it. So it will be saved in the same transport request. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah. Next one. Press next entry. Press next entry. Press next entry. So LU01 company code. My another company code is LU01. Lahari Steels Inc. Okay, so in US we won't call it as a private limited or public limited. So they'll call it as an incorporations. Okay, so my company is in San Francisco. San Francisco, country US. What is the currency of US? Local
USD.
currency?
USD.
USD. And language English. Language English. Okay, so here click on save button, click on save button, click on save button. Okay, so here select the title as company, select the title as company. Okay, next one, Lahari Steels, Lahari Steels Incorporation, Incorporation. Okay, LU01, search item, address, any address you can give. Harvest Street, Fremont. Nine three. Okay, I'll take the same. Okay, San Francisco. Okay, country US. And this is situated, San Francisco is situated in California. So you can give it as a CA. So if you type here, see here, California. California. 42. Just write on this. So we have done company, credit control area. Now we are creating company code. So click on OK. Click on OK. Okay. Next one you can see. Click on save button. Click on save button. Press back. You can see now 3 company codes. What are the company codes we have? LI01, LI01, LI02, and LU01. 3 company codes. Correct? 3 company. If you want to see the details, then LI01, then click on this is called details button. So select details button. You can see here. So LI01 Lahari Cement, and you want to see the address also here. So here the last one, you can see here address. Here complete company address, company code address. Clear everyone? Any questions still here?
No.
Okay. Next step, define business area. Define business area. Define business area. Okay, if you want to write path, same as above. So instead of writing everything, SPRO, SAP reference IMG. So till where it is same, I'll deal till there. Okay, path same as above. Till financial accounting. Path same as above till financial accounting. From there select define business area. Define business area. Define business area. Okay, transaction code. Transaction code OX03. Transaction code OX03. Define business areas. Transaction code OX03. Okay. So I'll go with from SAP. So same thing, SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Okay, financial accounting. So here you can select enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. Under that, financial accounting. Fine. And here it is define business area. And here you can see the last 4 digit. Your transaction code OX03. OX03. So, okay. So as discussed in our organization structure, we are going to create 3 local business areas and 2 foreign business areas. So what are those business areas we discussed in our organization structure? See here. Okay. Business area. One is Hyderabad business area, Mumbai business area, and Guntur business area. So these 3 are Hyderabad business area, Mumbai business area, and Guntur business area. These are domestic business areas, and Singapore and San Francisco. These are foreign business areas. So total 5 business areas we are going to create. Out of that, 3 are domestic and 2 are foreign business areas. So nothing but your branches. Okay. So here, press new entries.
Maybe,
Sorry,
maybe I have a question here.
please go ahead.
Like if you go to the if you go to the what document, I have seen like business area. I mean like company code we have created 3. So one is for India and another one is for US and Lahari Singapore. So will I mean like
See, again, I would like to tell you, see, whatever company codes you have created, clear 3 company codes and 5 different business areas. So these business areas can be utilized for any company code. You can use for LI01, you can use for LI02, okay, or if possible, you can use these 2 foreign business areas can used for US company code. See, again, I'll tell you. For example, yours is Bajaj. Your company is Bajaj Group of Company. Okay. And you are dealing in Bajaj Finance. You are dealing in Bajaj Finance and you are dealing in Bajaj Electronics. 2 different business, 2 different company codes you have. One is Bajaj Electronics and another one is Bajaj Finance. Are the 2 company codes. And branches, if you take branches, okay, in Hyderabad only, you have a Bajaj Electronics and Bajaj Finance branches in Dilshuk Nagar, okay, in Koti, right, in Abbots, right, and again in Kukatpalli, right, in again Kolkata, right. So here, whatever Bajaj Electronics branches are there, branches, this business area is nothing but area wise, branch wise, right. So if I am creating business areas separately, then that business areas I can utilize for Bajaj Finance or Bajaj Electronics also. Understood? In the same way, whatever business area, this is nothing but my branches. I am having my company code LI01 branch in the sense the product. LI01 deals with what products? Cement. LI02 deals in steels. LU01 deals in steels again. So LI01 is nothing but cement. So I can have in Hyderabad cement branch, and same thing steel branch also I can have, right? So I can utilize this Hyderabad business area for LI01 company code and as well as LI02 company code also. Same thing Mumbai.
Okay.
Sorry,
Yeah, got it.
understood, right? So it's not restricted.
Yes,
So
understood.
anywhere. So we are sending our this thing goods or whatever services to different areas. Clear? Okay, next.
Got it.
Yeah, thank you. So these 5 locations we are going to create it as this is nothing but locations. So here we have not created yet. So press new entries. Press new entries. Okay, so here every element as per my company code, I will give it as what is my first letter of my company code, Lahari L. So I'll in real time also normally I'll suggest my client to go with the naming convention with their company name itself. Anything. Sometimes they accept, sometimes they deny. So their project, they will discuss with the project manager or delivery manager, and according the naming conventions will be given by your delivery manager or project manager in real time. But most of the times, whenever I get an opportunity, whenever I'll have a discussion with my client, so definitely I'll inform them. If naming convention is simple, then probably end users will doesn't have any problem to understand the business process also. Okay, so here I'll go with L. L stands for Lahari. Lahari Group Company, right? So Lahari, LHYD, LHYD, or I'll go with the Guntur, CDFG. Okay, Guntur business area. Lahari, Guntur business area. Okay, next one, LHYD, Lahari, Hyderabad business area. Next one. Okay, L Mumbai, Lahari, Mumbai business area. Next one, Singapore, right? SGN, Lahari, Singapore business area. Next one, last but not least, LSNF, San Francisco business area. Lahari, San Francisco business area. San Francisco business area. Just write it down. So the business areas will be created at client level. Okay. So under that particular client, any company code can utilize this business area. Again, I am reminding business area is an old concept. Segment is a new concept. Segment. So here in nowadays, see, as I said that before Corona, whatever project I saw, they were not using any business areas. They were using segment. So for branches, they use segment. Product wise, they use a segment. Segments we will see in next session. Okay. But after COVID, post COVID, whatever projects I saw in implementation projects, most of the clients, they are using business areas and as well as a segments also. Business area for same, whatever areas. Okay, they are using business areas and product, different product, whatever I said, Bajaj Electronics. Under Bajaj Electronics, there will be different products, right? Color TVs, sorry, washing machines, right? So for each product, they are using a segment. Same here, whatever we are using, what are the segments we have? We are dealing in 2 products. What are they? What are those products?
Cement and
Cement and
steel.
steel.
Cement and steel, correct? So my products are cement and steel. So I want how many total cements manufactured and total cement purchased and total cement sales, and same time steel. So product wise reporting I'm using for segment. Area wise reporting I'm using business areas. Clear? Earlier, before COVID, clear? There were business area was the old concept again. I'm telling you, business area was the old concept. Segment was not there in ECC 5 version. Okay, which is again launched in ECC 6 with the new GL accounting. Okay, before that, we don't have a segment concept. We have only business area concept. So for everything, they used to use business area for product wise and as well as area wise. So they are not able to make out the correct reporting. And SAP came up with segment reporting after that. So most of the clients, they were not using business area. They were using for all the things. For area wise, they are using segment. Okay. And product wise reporting also, they were using segment. Again, they had issues with the same mixing of reports. So then most of the clients now they are coming up with, for areas, they are going with the business area concept, and for product wise reporting, they are using a segment reporting. Is that clear? Any questions? Hope if it is new,
No.
but still we will understand when we do our postings and reporting.
Sure. No.
Okay.
Naveen, this is Abhishek here. I
Yeah,
have a
Abhishek.
question. Yeah, so like business area generally identifies my branch, right? So
Exactly.
like so if one branch can deal with multiple products, right?
Correct.
It can be possible.
Yes.
Okay.
So at that particular
Okay.
point of time, same in the business area will be linked to segment. So in the segment
Okay.
level, we will describe the products. What are the products we are dealing in? Each and every
Okay.
product, minute to minute product.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any other questions from anyone before I proceed? Okay. So if no, then I'll continue. Good to go. So click on save button. So now this is a different step. Then it will ask for transport request. See here. Understood? So are we in the same request? Are we in the same request?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah. How many local domestic business areas we have?
3.
3. Guntur, Hyderabad, and Mumbai. And other 2 are foreign.
Sorry.
Okay. Next. Next step, right up. Define functional area. Define functional area. Define functional area. Write down. Define functional area. Okay. This is again, earlier this particular step was not there. Okay. This is a new step. Okay. If you go by the path and the transaction code is, I'll tell you, write down the path, definition, write down heading, define functional area. Define functional area. Path, same as above. Path, same as above. Till financial accounting. Path, same as above, till financial accounting. From there, select. From there, select. Define functional area. Functional area is nothing but departments in an organization. Okay, define functional area. Define functional area. So this is actually whatever path, this is newly introduced. So if I click on IMG activity button, it will throw an error message. Okay, it will throw, we don't have a path for this actually. Okay, so we have directly a transaction code, and even this transaction code won't work. Okay, so here you can see, write down the error. What is the error? It will show. See here. This view is obsolete in new SAP. This view is obsolete, means it has been, this path has been deleted, and only we have a transaction code for this. So if you want to create functional areas, okay, we don't have a path. We have only a transaction code. So what is the transaction code in the sense? FM underscore function. So here you can write FM underscore function. Transaction code is FM underscore function. Clear? This is a old version. This is the navigation path used to work in an old version. Okay. But in new version, we don't have any path for this. Directly, we can work on transaction code. So how we can work? So I'm going with the new screen, new session. Okay. FM underscore function. Okay. FM underscore function. Okay. FM underscore function. Okay. Directly T code I'm giving. FM underscore function. Press enter. Fine. So here we have a different departments I have mentioned here. So what are the functional areas? We have admin department, human resource department, finance department, purchase department, stores department, production department, sales department, utilities department. Like that, we have a different department. So we need to define each and every department. So here, what is the importance of department? Because when we calculate COGS, cost of goods sold, without these departmental reports, we can't calculate our COGS in the reports. Clear? Whenever we are calculating our COGS, then without this departmental reports, we can't do our COGS reports. Clear? So here, first I'll create first admin department, LADM. So here again, we have three options here. One is create button. This is for create. This is for display or change. Sorry, this is for edit and this is for display. Clear? Create, three options will be there. Create, edit and display. Okay. Click on create. Okay. So here you can give Lahari admin department. Admin department. And again, I'm giving validity. I'm giving 1 year back date. For example, last fiscal year. I'll tell you why I am taking 01/4/2022. I'm taking. Why? In the sense, for example, my Lahari company was there since long time. Okay. But they were using other accounting software or other ERP. Clear? So those data need to be migrated with the different tools. So those departmental data need to be migrated. So last fiscal year data, if we are taking current year here, valid from 1/4/2023, then what happens is here we will face an issue that we can't upload, okay, the last year data of Lahari company with the current financial year. Because Lahari company is not a new company. It is already exist, but they are new to SAP, not for the industry. They are very old or last year there was that company, that organization was there, but they were using different system, different software. Okay. So that data, the last legacy data, non-SAP data, we need to upload in our current SAP system. So if I mention here 1/4/2023, okay, then what happens is if I try to upload last fiscal year data, then it won't accept. Is that clear? So we have 3 to 4 sessions I'm going to take on how to upload the data. What are the different file formats are there? Clear? So that is the reason I'm taking 1/4/2022. Okay, there are different tools are there. LSMW tool, BDC tool. Clear? And different file formats are there. So how to upload data, those tools I'll show you. Again, that is an extra one. Understood why I am taking this date and valid too. So when you're starting your business, so what would be the end date you can give your company or business? What is the end date?
All 9.
All?
All 9 because
All lines,
business.
because what is this concept called? Why we
The
call, why
business
we telling it
continuity,
going
something
concern
business
concept?
continuity. Yeah.
Going concern concept. As our human life, we will expect a long life. In the same way, whatever company or whatever business we do, that is expected to run for a longer period. If it is a consignment or what we call joint venture, right, contract, then that will have a expiry date or a validity period. Okay, but here ours is not a contract business, right? So ours is valid till, so here you can give 31/12/999. Okay, no expiry date. This is applicable for contract accounts. So maximum date we are giving. Okay, 31/12/999. Okay, and done. Click on save button. Click on save button. Okay, click on save button. So functional area has been saved. Automatically it will take here, created by the user ID, entered on which date, your server date it will take. Okay, and it will capture time also. It will capture. Okay, next give LHTM, LHCM. Okay, here I'll give LHCM and click on create button. Okay, Lahari Human Capital, HR, Lahari Human Capital Department, Human Capital Department, Human Capital Department. Same date, there is no change in the date. 1/4/2022, 30/29. So you just write down these texts and remaining only for one, you can take it. Next one, finance. Okay, finance, click on create button. So here Lahari, finance department. Finance department. Okay. The next date same, no change in the time. Fine. So finance department. Next one, purchase department, PUR. Okay, purchase department. Click on create. So here it is purchase department. So we are purchasing a raw material. Purchase department. Purchase department. Purchase department. Dates same. Okay, click on save button. Purchase department. Next one, after purchasing, we will have a stores. We will store in raw material, store in. Okay. Sorry, first QLT. Whatever raw material we purchase first, that will move to quality department. Okay, and after that store. Click on create. Quality department. Quality department. Write down this. Quality department. Okay, Lahari quality department. Click on save button. Once quality is done, testing is done. Okay, then it will move to stores department. Okay, stores department. Okay, click on create. Okay, stores department. Stores department. Once quality test is done, then we will move to stores. Okay, and once stores, then whenever it's required, we will move to production department. Okay, click on save. Next one, production department. Lahari, production department, PRD. Click on create production department. Production department. And after production, what we will do?
Sell.
Sales, exactly. Okay, no, before that, before production, UTL, utilities. What is utilities department? You remember in our accounting, we studied about consumable stores. Consumable stores. What do you mean by consumable stores in the sense? See,
Which are used for the daily purpose of the manufacturing purpose.
correct. Say
Oh.
so for example, if I take example, if we are using a machine, to run the machine in a good condition, we use some sort of oils, grease, cotton, waste cloth, right? For that, what we need some department to purchase them and to dispose them. So that department, we call it as an utilities department. That we call it as an utilities department or consumable stores department. So utilities department. Okay. Same. You can use it as an same power. Okay. Power, water. Click on create. So here we can give it as a utilities department. Utilities department. Click on save. Okay. Next one, sales department. Sales department. Click on create. Lahari, sales department. Sales department. Okay. Click on save. Okay. Fine. So we have created all the departments. If you press F4, it will show you all the departments. So here. So these are all functional area standard. Ours starts with L, right? See here. Okay. If you are getting confused like this, then what you can do is you can put F4, F4, here functional area, L star, wildcard, L star. You can see only L, which is starting with L, and all the departments what we have created. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 departments we have created. Okay. Next one. Next writer. Define consolidation. Next step. Define consolidation business area. Define consolidation business area. Next step, or maintain. Maintain consolidation business area. So how many business areas we have? How many business areas we have?
9.
Business areas.
Yes, sir.
Five.
5 business areas.
Five.
Out of this, how we have classified these business areas? 3 are domestic and 2 are, see, these
International.
3 are domestic, this and this, okay, and 2 are foreign business areas, right? So I would like to classify them domestic business areas and what you call foreign business areas. Okay, so here write down maintain consolidation business areas. Path same as above, path same as above till financial accounting, from there select maintain consolidation business areas, maintain consolidation business areas, maintain consolidation business areas, and transaction code OCC1, transaction code OCC1, transaction code OCC1, okay, OCC1, okay. So press new entries, okay. What I'll do, I'll create it as an LDCS, sorry, LDCS, Lahari domestic consolidation, Lahari domestic consolidation business area. Okay, next one, foreign business area, Lahari foreign consolidation business area. So here I'll make it as in foreign. So 2 business area consolidated means whenever I want a report, I want to retrieve a report domestic separately and foreign business area separately. Just write it down. Just write down. Okay.
Okay.
Lahari domestic business consolidation business area and Lahari foreign consolidation business area. And click on save button. Click on save button. Okay, next one. Next. Can I go ahead?
Yes.
Yeah. Next one. Define or maintain FM area. Maintain FM area. FM is nothing but financial management area. Financial management area. So we have created FM areas also. You can see here 2 FM areas. One is Lahari Financial Management Area for India, Lahari Financial Management Area for US. 2 management areas. Okay, write down. Maintain financial management areas. Maintain FM area. Write down the path. Okay, path same as above. Path same as above. Till financial accounting. Till financial accounting. From there select. From there select. Define FM area. FM is nothing but financial management area. Okay. Select maintain FM area and transaction code OF01. OF01. Transaction code OF01. Okay. So press new entries. So here I'll give LIFA. Okay, LIFA. LIFA. So here I'll give description. Lahari, financial management area. Financial management area. India. Management area, India. Okay, and what is the currency? What is the currency we need to take for India?
INR. INR.
INR. Okay, and same here. LUFA, US financial area. LUFA. So I'll just make a change in this. US and INR. INR. Sorry, is it INR? It's a USD. Just write down this. LIFA and LUFA, financial management area. One for India we have created and one is for USD.
Naveen, what is the purpose of this?
Sorry,
What is the purpose of
what
defining?
do you mean by financial management?
It is like a
See,
management.
I would like to analyze my funds flows and cash flows.
Okay.
Clear?
Mhm.
What do you mean by funds flow? What do you mean by cash flow?
Cash flow is the accrual methodology.
Yeah. Okay. Even though if you don't know, then no problem. I'll explain those. As I said that we are going to cover our management accounting. In that, I'll cover in depth of funds flows and cash flow, the differences, along with your ratios.
Okay. So this is purely on a reportable.
A bit louder, please.
This is purely for the reporting structure, not
I
for
didn't get you. I didn't get you. Your voice is very low.
voice flow. Is it clear now?
No. Anyone able to hear him?
No,
Yeah.
No problem, Naveen.
our voice is having a breakup.
Yeah. At least you can text or else. Yeah, this is also for reporting purpose only. Okay. Check. Yes, exactly, Anil. Yeah, Anil bhai. It's absolutely for purely reporting purpose only. Okay. Thank you. Next one. Next one. Define segment. Define segment. Next step. Okay, I have not saved. Yeah, first we need to save. Next one. Define segment. Last step in definition. In organization structure. Define segment. Okay, path same as above. Path same as above. Till financial accounting. Till financial accounting. And from there select define segment. As I said that it's a new accounting, this is a newly introduced this particular configuration segment. Okay, so we don't have any transaction code for this. We don't have any transaction code. Okay, write down define segment. Okay, no transaction code for this. Define segment. Press new entries. Press new entries. So what are the segments we have created? Yeah, segment. We have 3 segments here. One is corporate segment, one is cement segment, one is steel segment. Okay, either you can go ahead with the common expenditure. I would like to debit or credit to corporate segment. Okay, fine. So 3 segment. And next one, cement segment, cement business and steel business. So here I would like to give LCORP Okay, Lahari. So this is optional, whether you want to create it or not, it's up to the client. Corporate segment. Okay, Lahari corporate segment. Next one. L cement segment. Lahari cement segment. Next one, L steel. Lahari steel segment. Right? So segment, we have three. One is corporate, cement, and steel. Clear, everyone?
Okay.
Okay. So except profit center, everything is done regarding financial organization structure. Why I am not doing profit center? Okay, raw in the sense. Okay, so if I want to create a profit center now in the sense, what I need to have first of all controlling area. I'll show you the structure I would like to show you. So here, first I need to have controlling area if I want to have a profit center. Okay. Okay, and if you want to create a controlling area, see, first of all, to create a profit center, what I need a controlling area. So to create a controlling area, okay, we can create it. But to create a controlling area, we need to have a global company called global parameters. Okay. What are the prerequisites to create a profit center? One is controlling area. And to create the controlling area, we need to a company code global parameters. So when we can define company code global parameters, all the definitions and assignments are done. FI structure. Then only we can create the controlling area and we can give the company code global parameters. Is that clear? So that is the reason profit center at this particular moment we are not doing. At this particular moment we are not doing. We will create at the end, means after company code global parameters. After company code global parameters, we will do controlling area, and after that we will do profit center. Means the configuration last steps would be creation of profit center. Is that clear? If someone normally, that is the reason majority institutes, I'm not taking any names, majority, they will skip this particular step because it's a time consuming one. These steps they won't. So whatever configuration we have done, immediately they will pitch into assignment part and they will start the posting part. So whatever accounting they are doing, that is nothing but a classic GL accounting. Whatever they are doing, classic GL accounting. Okay. But what we are doing is we are doing a modern GL accounting. Clear? So the segment when we are creating, we are going to do this profit center. The profit center we are going to do at the end of the not at the end of the course, at the end of the configuration, means after 5 to 6 sessions, because there are a lot of steps need to do in between. Is this clear? I'm not skipping right moment. At that particular point of time, I'm skipping it. But definitely without creation of profit center controlling area, we can't complete our FI configuration. Understood, everyone, or any questions?
Okay.
Okay. One is controlling area is mandatory and global parameters are mandatory. Without that, we can't do. Okay. This particular step we are keeping hold. Fine. So
Right.
except for profit center, we have done everything. Yes, sir. Anyone have a query?
So
They're saying it's
part of controlling concept or not part of the GL accounting concept?
No. Before GL account only, we have to do this. See, again, I'll reiterate once again. One second. So there are earlier, before ECC 6, means if I say ECC 5 version, ECC 5 version, what was our formula was GL debit
The
equal to,
disturbance is coming.
yeah, background noise. Is it fine now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Earlier, before ECC 5, sorry, before ECC 6, our formula was GL debit equals to GL credit. GL debit equals to GL credit means whenever client want any sort of reporting, okay, so only at GL level means GL debit balances we used to check and GL credit balances. So this kind of reporting we used to call it as a single dimensional reporting. Single dimensional reporting. Okay. Okay. But majority clients were not satisfied with this reporting. They were not satisfied with this reporting. Okay. So in ECC 6, so before ECC 6, the controlling module, controlling area, not module, controlling area was with CO module. 100% it was with CO module, controlling area. Okay. In ECC 6, in ECC 6 version, 20%, not completely, 20% of controlling area. Okay. Or you can take controlling area. In ECC 6 version, controlling area is moved from CO module to FI module. Okay. CO module to FI module. Earlier CO controlling area, whatever it comes under CO module earlier before ECC 6 version. But from ECC 6 version onwards, this CO controlling area topic is moved from CO module to controlling module to cost module to FI module. Okay. And which made FI as earlier it was a single dimensional reporting. Now it is considered as earlier it used to call it as a classic GL accounting. Classic GL accounting till that. And now it is considered as a multi-dimensional reporting. And as well as it is known as modern GL accounting. So what has made changes in the sense, earlier we have only GL debit equals to GL credit, but now GL plus business area plus profit center plus segment debit equals to GL plus business area plus profit center plus segment credit. Means we can see our reports GL debit balances with the GL credit, business area debit balances with business area credit balance, profit center debit balances with the profit center credit balance, and segment debit balances with the segment credit balances. So that's the reason it has, and with multiple currencies. Okay, we will see when we do our GL module. So before doing a GL module, we need to do the configuration. So for that controlling area, we need to create a profit center. So to create a profit center, what we require? Controlling area. So to do the controlling area, what we require company code global parameters. To do company code global parameters, then whatever definitions we have done till now, so that has to be assigned. And after that, we need to create our fiscal year variants, right? Posting period variants, company code global parameters contains, these are the things: fiscal year variant, company code, posting period variants. Clear? Next one, negative postings. So a lot of things are dependent to do company code global parameters. Unless until I won't do company code global parameters, we can't create controlling area. If we are not creating controlling area, then we can't do the profit center. Even though it is moved earlier, that's the reason I said majority teams, majority institute, they go with the this one old formula, because they don't need to depend on creation of controlling area, creation of global parameters, company code global directly they can start after this assignment, and after that immediately they can start with the GL module, because it's a very huge topic. This is a little huge topic. So majority institute, they'll skip it. So, but if we are skipping this particular moment, the new GL accounting, then it's nothing. Or you can call it as a modern GL accounting or new GL accounting, new GLA. New GL accounting. So majority questions you can expect from new GL accounting. So what we are going to do from here after. Is that clear, everyone? Any questions here?
Clear to me, sir.
Yeah, thanks. So next one, right now.
Naveen,
Yes,
so
sir.
we will be discussing this concept in other classes, or for this concept will be discussed further in other classes?
Yes, yes. We have to discuss. Without that, see here, next step would be for assignments, whatever assigning, whatever we have created. So here we are going to create the complete structure here. Currency settings and all those stuff. Then only we can go with the company code global parameters, posting keys, and after discussion, controlling area. Company code global parameters and next controlling area. Is that the same thing, Anil, you asked?
Okay, no problem. I think there's something new. I think I'll understand in other classes. I
Yeah.
believe. No problem, Naveen. You can.
Yeah,
Thank
sure.
you.
Thank you. Okay. So here, next step is write down. So we have done the definition creations. We have. Okay. So, but here what we have done, we have created a company. We have created a company code. We have created a credit controlling areas, right? But company and company code relation we have not made yet, right? We have not integrated company and company code or business areas with consolidation business areas, correct? We have not made a relation between company and company codes. Now we will do that. Write down assignment. Next, to put the heading. Assignment of FI enterprise structure. Next heading, assignment of FI enterprise structure. Assignment of FI enterprise structure. Okay. So we are going to make integration now. So definition creations we have done now. Okay. Step number 1, write down. First step, under that, assign company code to company. Assign company code to company. First step means we are making a relation between our company code with our company. Company codes with company. Okay, write down the path. SPRO, write down the path. SPRO. SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. Enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. Till here it is the same. Earlier what we used selected definition, that is nothing but creation. Now here we are assigning. So enterprise structure, assignment. Next one, financial accounting. Financial accounting. Assign company code to company. Assign company code to company. Transaction code OX16. Transaction code OX16. Okay, so I'll go to SAP. So I was in definition. So close this definition. Now you can see path SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Okay, enterprise structure, Till here it is same. In enterprise structure, we need to select assignment. Definition is for creation. Assignment is for integration. Maintain a relation. Assignment. Under that, what is our module? Financial accounting. Okay, here you can see assign company code to company. Assign company code to company. Okay, click on IMG activity button. Click on IMG activity button. Okay, next. So here, click on position button, right down. Click on position button. Click on position button. What is my first company code? What is my company code?
LI01.
Yeah, LI01. So it will show all company code. So here it is showing company code, city, and company. What is my company? If you won't remember your company, search F4. Okay. So here you can see your company. Lahari, right? Let me check. IGAB. PQRST. See here. Lahari Group Company. My company is Lahari Group Company. So double click on this. Lahari. Okay. So LI02 belongs to which company? Is it belongs to Lahari or any other company?
Lahari only.
Lahari only.
So we need to give here also. And LU01 belongs to
Same Lahari.
Lahari only, right? So
Lahari US.
Correct. LU01. So here we are making LU01. So we are making a relation between your company and your company codes. One company, that is Lahari, and member company codes are 3: LI01, LI02, and LU01. Okay, these are called member company codes. Member company codes. My company is Lahari. Fine. Just write it down. It's okay. Any transactions, remember, any transactions we are not going to post at Lahari level, company level. We are going to post at company code level. Already we discussed the difference between company and company code. Okay. So click on save button. Okay. Click on save button. It will throw a message. Because your company, what is my company currency? What is my
INR.
INR? And what is my LU01 company code currency?
USD.
USD. So it will
USD.
show a soft error message, warning message. You can see here, W message, this is called W message. That is nothing but company code currency does not differ from company code currency. We can ignore that, not an issue. Okay, write down this error. Okay, click on enter. Now click on save button. That's it. Fine, everyone. So next step, we'll complete the assignment part. And tomorrow we can see the global parameters. Okay. So press save button. Press back button. Next one. Assign company code to credit control area. 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 So write down the path. Path same as above. Path same as above. Till financial accounting. Path same as above till financial accounting. From there select. From there select. Assign company code to credit control area. Assign company code to credit control area. Path same as above till financial accounting. And from there select. Assign company code to credit control area. Transaction code OB38. Transaction code OB38. transaction code OB38. Okay, same thing. Click on position button. Click on position button. Now you know your company codes. So LI01, LI01. Okay. LI01. Give company code LI01. And here search for your credit control area. Search for, if you remember, then it's well and good. If you won't refer, okay, if you won't remember, we have created with L, right? See here. Hyderabad, LIC1. So my LI01 company code is in Hyderabad and LI02 company code is in Mumbai and LU01 company code is in US. So here we need to select LIC1. Okay, LIC1, LIC2, credit controlling area for Mumbai. Next one, if you don't remember, then search it and sort it, credit control areas. And you can see here, LUC1, LU, Lahari Credit Control Area for San Francisco. That's it. Okay. Click on Save button. So we made a relation between company code with credit control area. Next step, write down. Assign business areas to consolidation business area. Next step, write down. Assign business areas to consolidation business area. Assign business areas to consolidation business area. We have 5 business areas and 2 consolidation business areas. Okay, write down. Assign business areas to consolidation business area. Write down the path. Path same as above. Path same as above till financial accounting. Path same as above till financial accounting. From there select assign business area to consolidation business area. Transaction code OBB6. Transaction code OBB6. Transaction code OBB6. Transaction code is OBB6. Okay. So same, click on position button. So here we are not assigning to company codes. We are assigning business area to consolidation business area. What is our business area? First one. What are the business areas we have? What are the business areas we have? Guntur, Hyderabad.
Singapore.
Correct. These are the
San
business areas,
Francisco.
right? LHYD, L, Mumbai, L, Guntur. So LGNT. Okay, these are our business areas. This is not ours. Okay. Lahari Guntur, Lahari Hyderabad, Lahari Mumbai, Lahari Singapore, and Lahari San Francisco. So here, if you don't remember your consolidation business areas, so press F4, and sort it. So what are our business areas? So Lahari domestic consolidation business area and Lahari foreign consolidation business area. So LGNT, is it domestic or foreign? LGNT, is it domestic business area or foreign business area?
Domestic.
Domestic. So select here Lahari domestic. So Hyderabad is also domestic and Mumbai is also
Yes.
domestic.
Domestic.
Okay, and next one, Singapore. We have Singapore. Now we need to select here foreign consolidation business area. So sort this Lahari foreign consolidation business area. That's it. Click on save button. Click on save button. Okay. Done, everyone? So here you can see description also. Click on save button. Click on save button. Okay. So next step, write down assign company code to FM area. Assign company code to FM area. Assign company code to FM area. Nothing but financial management area. You can write it as in financial management area. Assign company code to financial management area. Okay. Assign company code to financial management area. Path, same as above, till financial accounting. Till financial accounting. And from there select assign company code to financial management area. Okay. Financial management area. Transaction code OF18. Okay. OF18. Okay. So we have two financial management areas. One is for India, another one is for US. Okay. But we have two company codes and one US company code, two Indian company codes and one US company code. So next click on. Okay. Okay. This is logged by tram. See, again, write down a note here. So whenever I'll mention here, write down a note. See, for example, we all are working in one particular server. For example, I have given access to you people. And you are also working on the same transaction. And I am also working on the same transaction. Okay. So write down anywhere in your notes. So unlock the logged screen. Here, the screen is locked. The screen is logged by user TRAM. Okay. The username TRAM. Okay. So write down to unlock the screen. Use a transaction code SM12 to unlock the screen. Transaction code SM12. Transaction code SM12. Anywhere you can open. So I'm using here SM12. Okay. And here username. What is the username here? Who has logged up? TRAM. So here just give transaction code SM12 and okay, press enter. Okay, no log entries found, or else give your name. Yeah, I understood. So here give your name. SRUSTY. Press enter. So nothing has been logged as of now. Let me check. So no log as of now. So use this particular transaction code SM12. SM12, and here you need to give who has logged, the ID who has logged. And after that, press enter. It will show the list. Okay, so here you can see here. It will show the list who has logged it. So select the list. By selecting here. Okay, select the list and click on delete button. Okay, delete the lock entry. So what happens? The entry will not be deleted. It will be there, but we both can work the same transaction code in the same server. You can also work, and same time I can also work. If I delete this lock. Understood, everyone? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
So here now you can see here you can see we can work. Assign. Okay. We are assigning our FM areas to company codes. So click on position button. Click on position button. Company code LI01. Sorry, LI01. I have given a wrong company code. LI01. Okay. So here you can give your consolidation, sorry, FM areas. FM area. So if you don't remember, so here I have given in the notes also, what are my FM areas? LIFA for India and LUFA for US. So I'm having two company codes. Okay, so I'll go with LIFA, LIF. Okay, LIFA. What is this? Okay, next one, LUFA. That's it. Okay, LI01 is related to Indian Financial Management Area Company Code. This is also India and this is US. Clear everyone? Click on save button. Click on save button. Press back button. Press back button. Okay, assign profit center. Did we created a profit center right now?
No.
No. So when we will create the profit center?
While doing controlling.
Okay, when we can do the controlling area? When we can do the controlling area?
After completion of GL structure.
This one. Company code global parameters. So with this, we have done the definitions. We have done the assignments. And tomorrow, the most important session, that is company code global parameters. We are going to discuss company code global parameters. I'll show you that how the structure would be. Company code global parameters for other companies, what I have done. Not this. See, these are the different company code global parameters. First, we need to create a chart of accounts. The next fiscal year variant, posting period variant, currency settings, field status variant, tolerance groups, posting keys, exchange rate deviation, document types. So these all we need to do before we are going to do the controlling area. Understood? So we have not yet done chart of accounts. We need to discuss in tomorrow's session. The most important session tomorrow's in configuration part, chart of accounts. What do you mean by chart of accounts? How many types of chart of accounts we have? So we will discuss in depth of chart of account. The next, what do you mean by fiscal year variant? Okay, so this session, we are going to spend little time. Fine, everyone?
Sure.
Yeah,
Sure.
thank you. And please kindly join tomorrow session at 2:30 so that we can at least complete majority things because it's very important.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you all.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I'll share the recording.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.